doing, ladies and gentlemen? Man, we are thrashing. We're trying to get this truck ready for Scheid Diesel Extravaganza. We are going 200 miles an hour to get there. We got 1 day left. We still got to TIG weld all of the hood stack. We still have to put on the catch can breather. And we got to change these over to 3.5 inch, but we're going to have to make them. We got some hose today from a friend of ours at the local diesel shop. Helped us out. We're between now and the distance to get there, folks. See if we make it. Oh yeah, hood stack, TIG welded, mounted. Just gotta cut the hole in the hood. We got a hood cut. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about 12 o'clock at night. We just finished it. We've thrashed to get here. Got everything hooked up the way we want. Got the stickers put on. And we're getting ready to hook the trailer up. Get it loaded up. Go to bed, get up at 4:30 in the morning, and head out. We're missing our gauge pod yet. Our gauges didn't come in. Should be here tomorrow, so we might be putting them on at Scheid. But we're ready to rock and roll other than that. Got our intercooler installed. I think we're ready to go. Ready to load this thing up. See what he's got going on in here. Come on back forward. It's coming. Turn these lights on, man.